back to my channel, and I have another video of the snack craze. I went ahead and ordered me another box because I liked the last box. So I'm gonna show y'all which one I got. This time I remember which one I had because last time I was just doing something. I had just picked the things. I didn't really remember. I got the Poland snacks from Poland, I guess. It looks the same as the last box. But this box got different things in it this time. It just got this. Just if you want your stuff to be cold, and if you want another one, it got the little booklet. This. And it just telling you what's in there. Oh, I got some little stickers. Y'all, if y'all want to purchase one of these, the link is in the description box down below, so you can go check that out. And I'm about to show y'all basically what all do I have. First, I got some chips. Y'all, it's in a different language, so I really don't know what it is. So let me read this. They call Last Piece. It's a potato chip with a combination of cheese and onion flavor. So I guess cheese and onion like the other stuff was. And then we got some, I guess they bacon flavor because it's bacon right here. Like some pretzel sticks, because I can't read this. Yeah, I read it. I can't read this in a different language, so y'all might not be able to read it. Next, I have, it looks like an almond bar because it got like a little almond right there. So I don't know how to read their language. And next, we have a Prince Polo. I don't know, this looks nasty. Then we have a heart-shaped thingamajiggy. This, I don't know what it says. Then we got three I think that, no, they're different flavors. Oh, this one pineapple. It's like a gummy thing. And this one is, this one pineapple too. It just look different. No, this is pineapple. This is pineapple and orange. And this one is pineapple and key lime. This one pineapple and key lime too. And then it came with these and nutrition facts. Also, you could use my referral code. Use my referral code if you want to purchase you one. So I'm gonna put this back in the box. I want to try the chip. Why the chips they like? What kind of it is in this type of package? Yeah, I'm kind of scared. They real. Look, this how they look. Like, I don't know. They dissolve on your tongue. They stale. What is the date on these? Cause I kind of like them. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that, but they kind of stale. Good. Y'all want one? Okay. Okay. Next, I'm gonna try the Prince Polo bar, candy bar. It's like chocolate and then it's like crisp. It's like a Nutty Buddy, but like longer. But that's what it looks like. Oh, them chips was I give them a 6 out of 10 because if they weren't still, they probably would have been an 8. So yeah. Y'all, look how it's shimmery at the front. But this is what it looked like. I get an 8. An 8 out of 10. I want to try one of these little things. ASMR. There's something in the middle. This tastes like an orange slice. Y'all know what orange slices are? The candy gummy kind. That's what that's good. I like this. What did you get? Gotta get a 9.5. Next, I want to try this. I don't know how to say it, so that's why I was standing there like, yeah. So it looked like a Crunch bar, but a different shape. I need an 8.5. If it wasn't so hard to like eat, it would probably have a 10. But you gotta do the extra most to get in the candy bar. Like, come on now. But let's move on to the next thing. Boom. It's these pretzel sticks. They taste like bacon. Or they supposed to taste like bacon. Oh, they smell just like bacon. Like real. like real bacon. I'm excited to taste these. Lord. These are my favorites. Midnight snacks. Cause I like them. And the last thing, it went by fast this time. They gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last thing that I have is this hard thing. I wait on this because it look good. So them pretzels here got a 10 out of 10. I like them. Oh, this is a cake. Oh. It's cinnamon or something. He's like, and I'm like, no. So, if you like this video, comment down there, like, and subscribe right here. Like, somewhere right there. You'll say right there. So, yeah. And if you wanted to buy your own, you can use my referral codes. The link is down in the description. Move. Here. The link is down in the description if you want to buy your own. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye.